Did you miss coins like Solana or Sai? Then this video is very interesting for you, because in this video I show you a great crypto project for 2024 with a lot of potential which is starting to rally up. In this video I show you the altcoin Harpy protocol. Harpy is on place 739 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $20 million. So Harpy is a very small coin and it's starting to rally up. Here we have the chart of Harpy and we built the all-time high in 2021 at $130. And after we reached the all-time high, we then saw the strong bearish move to the downside. We also moved under the last lows right here and we continued to fall to the downside till we got this rejection right here. We saw the first bullish momentum to the upside. We moved out of this demand zone to the upside and built higher highs. Then we saw this rejection right here, and from the supply zone we saw this move to lower levels again, but we didn't make a lower low right here. We came into this demand zone again, we saw the support right here, and then we moved to the upside, and as you can see we pushed through this supply zone with strong bullish momentum. So this is a very bullish sign for Harpy. And as you can see, after this consolidation in this supply zone, we yesterday saw this push to the upside and closed over this supply zone. And I think Harpy is a great project with very high potential for 2024, because as I said, we are just on place 739 with a market cap of $20 million. From now on to the last all-time high, we have a potential of 350%. And if Harpy would come into the top 100 of all cryptocurrencies, Harpy would then have a market cap of $570 million, which is nearly a 30x. And if we would see a bull run for Bitcoin, the chance that we see even higher prices for Harpy is extremely high if the project reaches its potential. So for me, Harpy is one of the most underrated coins for 2024. And as you can see on the TA, we see this bullish momentum. We broke this last supply zone to the upside, and the chance that we now are starting the bullish run to the upside is very high. And if you look at the chart right here, we don't have very strong resistance areas because we saw this bearish move to the downside, but we didn't saw clear lower lows and lower highs. We just saw the straight bearish move to the downside. So the chance that we directly see a move to the upside is very high, especially if Bitcoin is also going to the upside, because when Bitcoin is going to the upside, the chance that altcoins like Harpy are also going to the upside is very high. And if we also continuating this bullish trend to the upside on the 4-hourly chart, then I think the chance is high that we can see even higher prices. So guys, did you already hear of Harpy or are you invested in Harpy? Then write it down in the comments below. And if you want to see more small cap altcoins on this channel, then also write it in the comments below. So thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.